Hey, in this video I show you 11 useful items to improve your journey or daily life. Let's start your everyday carry. So first of all, I want to start with Lamcou. So the important thing here of this triplet is you could hang it on a holder, so wherever you like to place them to make a video or a long time photo, this is really cool. And the good thing is it holds also a big heavy camera. So this is the best one what I found in the internet. Stacher. So what's the nice thing about this thing? Besides it's a little bit more expensive, like these plastic bags. And to have a sustainable approach, I like this more like this, because this I could reuse. And especially in the German airports, if you pass the safety check-in, you have to put all your liquids in. The safety officer want to see if you have a toothbrush or washing agent or something in. So what is nice of this? Well, this silicone bag is also for something sweet, or here I have it. You could also put a mobile phone, a cell phone in. It's very protective because it's also water resistant. It's a dust-free zone. If you are sitting on the beach, you have no problems with sand or the dust. So a wireless router from Netgear. This is really cool. I made a hotspot with my cell phone, with my iPhone. Checked the hotspot connection with an iPhone against the Netgear. The cool thing here is you could connect up to 15 mobiles, computers, or whatever you like. Especially the speed is very good here. Here you have also 2 slots where you could place a cable in to improve the signal. So, for example, if you are on your boat, sailboat, you could use also the mast to improve the signal. You have here to push the button and it's turning on. So in combination with the WLAN router, is also very useful the thing of the SIM adapter. So especially if you use different SIM cards, you have nano SIM, you have micro SIM, and so on. So I use this one also. It's very economic. The SIM card was too small. So I use this adapter kit, and but nevertheless it could be also a good combination with the Netgear router, because then you could combine your card from the cell phone from other things. You have here also an active Bluetooth speaker from Anker. It's very small, very good thing, because I take this one every day, not every day, every time to my journey, because I like music. I like some audible reading books and so on. So this has an excellent, brilliant sound. It's economic and it's long lasting because the battery is very good. So very important, the Anker Bluetooth box. A soap bag. What is a soap bag? So I like this package, so it's not saying anything about it. It's a nice looking small bag. For what? For your hand soap. What I hate is when I go to the hotel, I use them quite often because I like them more than the liquid ones because it's better for your skin. Unfortunately, what I hate is if you are only 1 night, 2 nights there, you are not lasting all of the soap. I have this Thule bag and it's clever thing because here you have also a possibility to place a carabiner. If you like, you could also place it on your belt. And you have here in the back side a small bag where you could charge your cell phone, for example. You have here a little tiny hole where the cable comes out. So what is inside? So it's a very cool bag because you have here a zipper bag where you could, for example, store your sleeping mask. You could have also a very good orden. You have place for markers, for a ball pen, and also this is very useful thing, a charger. So it's for a car charger that you could also then charge your cell phone, your mobile. So don't forget this thing, because if you need a sat nav, and normally the best sat navs are our cell phones, you need this one because this needs a lot of battery. If I go on the plane, I put my Ohropax in. So the cool thing here is you have here a hard cover, and you could use them and reuse them if you like. And the thing is, do you know how to use them? You put them through your fingers, turn them, and make a small thing out of it. And then you put it into your ear channel. You could use, for example, the headphones. So I love these headphones from Bose because it's noise absorbing. So if you put them on, you have no sound. This is very cool and clever because Bose was the first one which designed this thing, and it's very good in the airport or airplane because the noise of the turbine you are not hearing. The noise of your surroundings, speaking people, you will not hear. Don't scary if the captain is telling you something and give you a notice. This is another frequency and this you will hear. I use this door alarm. So what is a door alarm? So you could place it onto the floor, and when somebody is getting into your door in your room at the hotel, the alarm rings. So how it works? So you have here a switch, turn on, and the door goes up. It's nothing worse not to get in sleep because you are not feeling safe. Now you are saying, well, sometimes I have doors which are so close to the floor that it goes away. So there is a trick. This alarm onto the floor, put something heavy behind it, and when the door goes open again, the alarm will start. So this is a very cheap one. I think it's around €9 or something like that. please buy directly 2 times this thing, because it's not really a long-lasting item. I never found a thing which were long-lasting, but nevertheless it's very helpful. So on the other hand is where to pack it. Here you have the Ucon Acrobatics backpack. In this case is the model Niklas. So it's very cool thing, because it's a brand coming from Germany, coming from Berlin, and you have a zipper where you could pack also the bag from beside. And if we now discussing how to pack a monovolume backpack. So for example, here we have packing cubes from Gomex, and it's a very clever one, because you could open them and you have a second zipper, the gray zone here, and you could enlarge the volume. And then you have a bigger packing volume. Could use different one, because you have the small ones, the medium size and large size. And the good and clever thing is you have here some handles, and you could put you put it in your backpack, and then you have it very good stored. So you could pack here t-shirts, trousers, whatever you like, close the bag and compress the bag by half volume. There you have it, 11 items for your everyday carry. If you find this video useful, please leave me a comment. Make sure to leave me also your wish, what you want to see next from me, close to your comment. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.